What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another Alchemist cocktail, as it's cocktail number 3 in this series of the Cosmic Cocktails series. So this one, it is the Alchemist take on the very famous Espresso Martini, but this one is their take on it with a nice molecular touch with it, as you'll see what I mean with that. So with this, it is an Espresso Martini. Let's get straight into it. So to make the NEXT-spresso Martini, what we have to do now is get our shaker and put in 45 ice cubes. So again, it's English measurements. I'm going to use a more of an Americanized one, so I'm going to be rounding it up to the nearest ounce rather than 25ml. So what we're going to do now is, it's going to be 30ml or 1 ounce of a vodka rather than 25ml. Next, 50ml or half an ounce of salted caramel syrup. In terms of a coffee liqueur, this is one of my favourites. I absolutely love Kahlua. So next, 15ml or half an ounce of a coffee liqueur or Kahlua. Next is 1.5 ounce or 45ml of espresso. So this is pressure brewed, but it's nice and chilled. Put your lid on and now give it a good hard shake for 30 seconds. So it's going to be a long shake, this one, and you'll see why. So it's going to be a longer shake because we want to create a nice foam, so we're going to shake this a lot longer. So what we're going to do is get our coupe glass, put that to one side and give it a good hard shake. Now comes the tricky bit, so the final thing. Now we're going to take our cocktail game to the next level. So what we're going to do is garnish it with a chocolate spoon. So 1 chocolate spoon I've already made. So that's the garnish. But you can see I've made some salted caramel caviar. As you can see, doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? Taking our cocktail game to the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to know how to make salted caramel caviar, just let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to show you how to make this nice delicacy, as it all can be eaten, but what a garnish that is. That is taking the Espresso Martini to the next level. Well, there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one NEXT-spresso Martini. But the presentation, doesn't it look a 10 out of 10 already? It's a shame to even touch this cocktail with the garnish, but I cannot wait to try it. It looks absolutely delicious. It looks beautiful. And this is what the cocktails is all about. It's why I got into cocktails. I absolutely love it. It's why I fell in love with cocktails. It's why it's my big hobby. Well, cheers everyone. And that is one of the nicest espresso martinis I've ever had. And I'm not just saying that, that is absolutely beautiful. I've got a sweet tooth and this ticks all the boxes. I love my coffee, I love the sweet soda salt caramel. And the garnish alone, everything about it screams mixed, it screams me. I just love it. The attention to detail, the taste, the craftsmanship. It's absolutely beautiful, and I recommend that you make this drink. I really, really recommend it. It's a 10 out of 10, or should I say an 11 out of 10. This is a NEXT-spresso Martini. It's a hit, I love it. But if you want, just let me know, guys, if you want me to show you how to make some of these ingredients. I know they're not easy to make, especially with the salted caramel caviar, as it's more of a culinary, because it goes into the culinary, so molecular side of cocktail making. So it's a bit more advanced, a bit more difficult to make, but I can show you guys how to make it. Because if you want to up your cocktail game, just let me know, and I will happily make a video for you. But now we're going to cocktail number 4, as we're going to take our cocktail game to the next level. So we're going to do it even better for the next one. It's one that I've been looking at. It's going to be a trifle. So yes, there's a trifle cocktail, and I cannot wait to make that. And I cannot wait to try it, because just to see how it turns out. I've got all the ingredients, so it's ready to go. As the next one will be the trifle cocktail, and I will see you guys for the next one. But if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more Alchemist cocktails like this, more outrageous cocktails, more beautiful things in life, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. This is Mix It, and I will see you next time. Cheers. Very, very bougie, but this is the start of a new chapter. Cheers, everyone.